Friedberg, located in the German state of Bavaria, is a historic town rich in cultural and architectural heritage. Founded in 1264, it was strategically positioned to control trade routes and protect against invasions. The town's medieval origins are evident in its well-preserved city walls, gates, and towers, which still stand as a testament to its defensive importance. Today, Friedberg blends its historical charm with modern development, offering visitors a picturesque setting to explore its rich past and dynamic present. The Friedberg Castle is one of the town's most iconic landmarks. Originally built as a fortification in the 13th century, it underwent various transformations over the centuries, eventually becoming a Renaissance-style castle. Today, it houses a museum showcasing the town's history, including exhibits on Friedberg's famous watchmaking tradition. The castle's hilltop location also provides breathtaking views of the surrounding area, making it a popular destination for both history enthusiasts and casual tourists. Friedberg is renowned for its centuries-old watchmaking industry, which dates back to the 16th century. The town became a hub for crafting high-quality timepieces, earning a reputation for precision and craftsmanship. Friedberg's Watchmakers Museum pays homage to this legacy, displaying a remarkable collection of historical clocks, tools, and documents. This tradition continues to be celebrated in the town's identity, with watchmaking festivals and exhibitions drawing visitors interested in this unique aspect of its cultural heritage. The town's Altstadt, or Old Town, is a charming area filled with narrow cobblestone streets, colorful facades, and quaint shops. Walking through this historic district feels like stepping back in time, as many buildings have retained their original architectural features. The Marienplatz, the central square, is a vibrant hub of activity, surrounded by cafes, boutiques, and historic landmarks. Seasonal markets, including the beloved Christmas market, bring the square to life with festive decorations and local crafts. Friedberg's parish church, St. Jakob, is a magnificent example of Baroque architecture. Built in the 17th century, the church features elaborate frescoes, gilded altars, and an impressive pipe organ. Its serene interior offers a place for reflection and admiration of the artistry that went into its construction. St. Jakob also serves as a venue for concerts and community events, making it a cultural as well as spiritual center for the people of Friedberg and its visitors. The annual Friedberger Zeit, a historical festival, transports the town back to the late 17th and early 18th centuries. During this lively event, locals don traditional costumes, and the streets are filled with reenactments, music, dancing, and markets that recreate the atmosphere of the Baroque era. This celebration not only highlights Friedberg's rich history but also fosters community spirit and provides a unique experience for visitors. It has become one of the town's most anticipated and celebrated events. Friedberg's connection to nature is evident in its parks, forests, and the nearby Lech River, which offer opportunities for outdoor activities. The Stadtpark provides a green oasis in the heart of the town, with walking paths, gardens, and spaces for relaxation. For more adventurous visitors, the surrounding countryside offers hiking and biking trails that showcase the region's natural beauty. These areas also provide a habitat for diverse flora and fauna, making Friedberg a destination for nature lovers. The town's culinary scene reflects both traditional Bavarian flavors and modern influences. Visitors can enjoy hearty dishes such as Schweinschacks, pork knuckle, pretzels, and regional beers at local inns and beer gardens. Friedberg also has a growing reputation for innovative cuisine, with restaurants offering creative takes on classic dishes. Seasonal specialties, such as asparagus in spring and game in autumn, highlight the connection between the town's gastronomy and the surrounding agricultural landscape. Friedberg's role in regional trade has left a lasting impact on its culture and economy. As a market town, it has long been a gathering place for merchants and artisans, fostering a spirit of entrepreneurship that continues today. The town's weekly market is a vibrant tradition where locals and visitors can purchase fresh produce, handmade goods, and regional specialties. These markets not only support local businesses but also preserve the town's historical role as a center of commerce. Art and culture thrive in Friedberg, with a variety of events, exhibitions, and performances taking place throughout the year. The Friedberg Art Association organizes regular exhibitions showcasing the work of local and regional artists. Music is another vital part of the town's cultural life, with concerts ranging from classical to contemporary genres held in venues such as the Castle and St. Jakob Church. These cultural offerings contribute to Friedberg's vibrant and dynamic community. Friedberg's education system reflects its commitment to fostering growth and opportunity for its residents. The town is home to several schools, including institutions that specialize in technical and vocational training. These schools often collaborate with local businesses, ensuring that students gain practical experience and skills relevant to the job market. This focus on education and training has made Friedberg a hub for innovation and a place where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. The Lacrane area, where Friedberg is situated, is known for its diverse ecosystems and rich agricultural heritage. The fertile land around the town has supported farming for centuries, producing crops such as wheat, barley, and hops. Local farmers also raise livestock, contributing to the region's culinary traditions. This agricultural bounty is celebrated at seasonal festivals and markets, where the community comes together to enjoy the fruits of the land and share in the area's rural heritage. Friedberg's strategic location near Augsburg has played a significant role in its development. The town benefits from its proximity to this larger city while maintaining its distinct identity. Excellent transportation links, including rail and road connections, make Friedberg easily accessible for commuters and tourists alike. This connectivity has helped the town attract new businesses and residents, ensuring its continued growth and prosperity while preserving its historical charm. Friedberg's community spirit is one of its most defining characteristics. Residents take pride in their town's history, culture, and achievements, and this sense of pride is evident in their active participation in local events and initiatives. Volunteer groups and organizations play a crucial role in preserving Friedberg's heritage, supporting social programs, and enhancing the quality of life for all who live there. This strong sense of community fosters a welcoming atmosphere for visitors and newcomers. Friedberg is steeped in legends and folklore, adding an air of mystery and enchantment to the town's history. Stories about ancient travelers, hidden treasures, and miraculous events have been passed down through generations. These tales often intertwine with the town's historical landmarks, such as the castle or St. Jakob Church, creating a rich tapestry of cultural narratives. Festivals and storytelling events sometimes bring these legends to life, allowing residents and visitors to connect with the town's intangible heritage. The town's medieval roots are vividly reflected in its city walls and gates, which stand as monuments to its historical importance. The preserved portions of the walls include features like the Zollhauser Gate, which once controlled access to the town. Walking along these ancient defenses provides a glimpse into the challenges of safeguarding a medieval community. These structures are not just historical relics but symbols of Friedberg's resilience and adaptability over the centuries. Friedberg's public spaces are designed to balance modern living with its historical charm. Squares like Ludwigstrasse and Herrgårdsplatz serve as hubs of activity where locals gather for events, markets, and daily socializing. These areas are beautifully maintained, often featuring fountains, sculptures, and flower displays that highlight the town's aesthetic appeal. The harmonious integration of public art and green spaces reflects Friedberg's commitment to creating a vibrant and livable community for all ages. The Herrgårdstra Pilgrimage Church is another jewel in Friedberg's spiritual and architectural landscape. Built in the 18th century, this Rococo masterpiece is renowned for its ornate stucco work, frescoes, and altars. The church attracts pilgrims and art lovers alike, offering a space for contemplation and artistic admiration. Its serene surroundings, located slightly outside the main town, add to its spiritual aura, making it a cherished place for both locals and visitors seeking inspiration or solace. Friedberg has a robust tradition of craftsmanship beyond watchmaking. Blacksmiths, carpenters, and textile artisans have been integral to the town's development, with many of these trades continuing in some form today. Workshops and artisan markets allow visitors to observe these skills in action, showcasing the town's dedication to preserving its artisanal heritage. These crafts not only contribute to Friedberg's economy but also reinforce its cultural identity, linking the past with the present in tangible ways. Seasonal festivals in Friedberg provide a window into the town's cultural vibrancy and community spirit. Beyond the Friedberger Zeit, events such as the Autumn Wine Festival and Spring Flower Markets highlight the town's agricultural and artistic traditions. These celebrations often include live music, dance, and culinary delights, creating a lively atmosphere that draws visitors from across the region. The festivals also offer a platform for local businesses and artisans to showcase their products, boosting the town's economy. Friedberg's proximity to natural wonders like the Lech River and the nearby Wittelsbacher land provides ample opportunities for outdoor exploration. Canoeing along the river, birdwatching in the wetlands, or simply enjoying a picnic by the water are popular activities for locals and tourists alike. The town's integration of nature into daily life emphasizes sustainability and promotes outdoor recreation as a vital part of its identity. This connection to nature enhances the quality of life for residents and visitors alike. Music has a special place in Friedberg's cultural life, with choirs, orchestras, and bands contributing to its rich auditory landscape. The town hosts regular concerts in venues ranging from the historic castle to modern performance halls. These events often feature a mix of classical and contemporary works, highlighting local talent alongside internationally recognized artists. Music festivals, particularly during the summer months, attract audiences who come to enjoy the town's acoustically rich and visually stunning settings. Friedberg's educational institutions often partner with cultural and historical organizations to create unique learning opportunities. School programs frequently include visits to the castle museum or workshops on traditional crafts, allowing students to connect with their heritage in meaningful ways. These initiatives not only enrich the educational experience but also instill a sense of pride in the younger generation. They ensure that Friedberg's traditions and history are passed on while encouraging innovation and creativity. The influence of the Bavarian cultural ethos is deeply embedded in Friedberg's daily life. From the traditional dirndl and lederhosen worn during festivals to the hearty meals shared in beer gardens, the town offers a quintessential Bavarian experience. This cultural authenticity is a major draw for tourists, who come to experience the warm hospitality and timeless traditions that define the region. Friedberg's embrace of its Bavarian roots creates a unique blend of local pride and universal appeal. Friedberg's connection to Bavaria's historical events is evident in its role during the 30 Years' War and subsequent regional conflicts. The town's strategic location made it a target, leading to occupations and battles that shaped its development. Despite these challenges, Friedberg emerged resilient, with its historical sites bearing the marks of these turbulent times. Guided tours often delve into these periods, providing visitors with a deeper understanding of the town's enduring spirit and historical significance. The town library in Friedberg serves as both a cultural hub and a repository of knowledge, housing an extensive collection of historical documents, rare books, and modern publications. Regular literary events, such as readings and book launches, foster a love for literature and learning among residents. The library also collaborates with schools and cultural organizations to promote educational programs. Its blend of historical archives and contemporary resources reflects Friedberg's commitment to preserving its past while embracing the future. Friedberg's economic development in recent years has balanced modernization with respect for its historical character. New businesses and industries have found a home in the town, supported by a strong infrastructure and strategic location near Augsburg. At the same time, efforts to preserve the old town and its heritage ensure that progress does not come at the cost of Friedberg's unique charm. This harmonious approach has made the town an attractive destination for entrepreneurs, families, and visitors alike. The Friedberg Watchmakers Guild, one of the oldest organizations in the town, remains a symbol of the town's proud watchmaking heritage. Even though the industry has diminished over time, the Guild continues to promote the craft through workshops, exhibitions, and mentorship programs. Aspiring watchmakers from around the region visit Friedberg to learn from its skilled artisans. This dedication to preserving traditional skills ensures that Friedberg's historical significance as a center of craftsmanship endures. Local folklore often highlights Friedberg's connection to its surrounding landscapes. Legends about the Lech River and the forests near the town are woven into its cultural fabric, often serving as themes for festivals, plays, and literature. These stories are not just entertaining but also provide insights into how the town's residents have historically related to their environment. Such narratives continue to inspire artistic and cultural expressions, enriching Friedberg's identity as a town deeply rooted in its natural and historical context. Sports and recreation play a vital role in Friedberg's community life, with facilities for football, tennis, and cycling readily available. The town's sports clubs are well supported by residents, fostering camaraderie and healthy competition. Annual events like marathons and cycling tours attract participants from across Bavaria, showcasing Friedberg's active and welcoming spirit. For those seeking leisure, the town also offers wellness centers and spas, providing opportunities for relaxation and rejuvenation amid its scenic surroundings. Friedberg's culinary traditions extend beyond classic Bavarian fare, embracing a diverse array of influences. The town's restaurants and cafes often incorporate seasonal and locally sourced ingredients, resulting in menus that reflect the region's agricultural richness. Wine from nearby Franconian vineyards and craft beers brewed in the region complement these dishes, offering a taste of Bavaria's gastronomic excellence. Cooking classes and food festivals further celebrate this culinary heritage, inviting visitors to engage with the town's flavors. The art scene in Friedberg has flourished in recent years, with galleries, studios, and public art installations contributing to its cultural vibrancy. Local artists often draw inspiration from the town's history and landscapes, resulting in works that capture Friedberg's essence. Community art projects, including murals and sculptures, enhance public spaces while fostering creative collaboration. This emphasis on art as a community endeavor strengthens Friedberg's cultural identity and offers residents and visitors new ways to experience the town. Friedberg's annual Christmas market is a highlight of the holiday season, transforming the old town into a winter wonderland. Festive stalls line the streets, offering handmade crafts, seasonal treats, and mulled wine. The market's warm and inviting atmosphere is complemented by musical performances, storytelling sessions, and visits from St. Nicholas. This cherished tradition not only boosts local businesses but also reinforces the sense of community that defines Friedberg throughout the year. The town's role in regional politics and governance has evolved over time, reflecting broader historical trends. From its medieval origins as a fortified settlement to its modern status as a thriving community, Friedberg has adapted to changing political landscapes while maintaining its local autonomy. The town council, located in a historically significant building in the Old Town, continues to play an active role in preserving Friedberg's heritage while addressing contemporary challenges.